But by the way, I have something I want to mention.
Yes.
I
want to talk about Bitcoin. That's where we're going to go with
Bitcoin.
No. One thing I want to say.
Don't point at me when you talk.
It's a speculative thing.
Yeah.
And one point is Bitcoin proved once again that it's not a hedge against your assets melting.
Or against money printing, or it's just a speculative asset. It's like a NASDAQ.
It's a speculative asset that seems to, just like, behave like high-priced real estate in Manhattan, or to track the stock market.
Right. That may be true, but you're losing your ass from when you told me it was useless at 30,000.
I'm saying it's useless doesn't mean there's a lot of things I didn't invest in.
All right.
There are a lot of things I didn't invest in that went up.
I want you to short it.
Went down.
Instead of just talking, I want you to short it or buy it. Do one or the other.
That's exactly the kind of false dichotomy that you're causing. I'm telling you, it's an asset that's crazy. Okay, of course, we've got enough crazy people to drive it up.
Do you think what do you think is going to happen to it long term, though?
I have no idea. First of all, I have no idea. It's a speculative asset. What I'm saying, it's not useful in the economic system to have assets that go from $10 to $60,000. Okay, when we're looking for price stability,
like Netscape, that goes from 800 to 180.
But that there's an underlying company that actually produces something that makes a product.
But on any given day, whatever it's worth is totally ephemeral. You have no idea.
Let me tell you the problem with Bitcoin people. They always
NVIDIA went from $6 to $400.
And it's revolutionizing the world.
Well, who knows whether Bitcoin's doing that or not? There's people that think Bitcoin is doing it. But it's not. People that think it is.
How so? It's become a speculative asset. That's what it is. That's the product. The product is being a speculative asset.
It has a functional use in terms of what constitutes like actual money. It has a functional
That's exactly what you're getting wrong. It's proving that it can be anything, but it's not a currency, and it's not a hedge. All right, so treat it as listen. A lot of people buy paintings.
What are the characteristics of, for example, of gold? It's immutable. It's cross-cultural.
First of all,
it's a limited supply. There's all these different things. It has a lot of those characteristics.
Gold has a property that Bitcoin doesn't.
What, to make jewelry?
No. Let me. First of all, it has use as jewelry, but there's one property is that if you put it has a gold chain. If you put it on the ground for 10,000 years, it will still be gold. Bitcoin, if the players in Bitcoin,
if you unplug the servers,
you can have it. You can own it. You can still have it. You don't need a server.
No, but the
you can have it in your wallet.
Keep being maintained. Okay, and this is complicated.
Well, the entire world is based on something being plugged in at this point.
No, but gold isn't. Gold is not.
And gold held its value. It was stable. Up until the hunt, and until of course 73 when
gold is stable. It's worth about what a barrel of it's worth like a suit. It's worth a good suit apparently. Over the years, you can buy a good suit of clothes for whatever gold costs.
But the idea of taking the story of gold and
the characteristics. There's about 6 or 7 characteristics that Bitcoin shares with gold. And I mean, when I first...
Our argument is not going to...
In the old days, if you lived on an island, if you did an hour of work and you did one thing and somebody else did another thing, you need a way to keep track of your work. It's a distributed ledger which does that.
So it looks like
you could use shells, but you can't...
Go anywhere
you have to...
It is...
Well, the world is actually, you're kind of left in the dust. The world is coming around.
How many Bitcoin have you used today to buy your newspaper, your coffee, and
now you're using the use basis. Now you've moved from the
No, I am saying it's proving not to be a currency, and I'm proving, and it doesn't have the same attribute as gold as reserve of value. So maybe something else. I'm not complaining. A lot of people like crazy stuff. Okay,
it's different. It's not a pet rock, Nassim.
Don't make it a. It's not.
Well, in hindsight, we'll see. Because up to this point, you don't admit that you've miscalculated on Bitcoin. You still think you're right. I know people who hate it at 5,000 that still think they're right, and they'll go to their graves thinking.
Let me tell you, I myself told you about 3 or 4 visits.
Is it going to zero?
No. I myself told you.
Because it should, based on what you're saying, it should go.
It would still be a speculative item.
That's brave for you to say. Then short it.
Okay.
Short it if it's going to zero. Buy if it.
We got to run.